Konnichiwa, Yokoto, Atopeji, Eto. I hope I got that right. Hello and welcome to another edition of the Arts Page. We're here at 2 Camp Road for a cultural explosion. Stick around to hear more.
Whoa, come together now. It's time to smile again. You and me, we're gonna make it happen.
If my kimono wasn't already a dead giveaway, my attempt at the Japanese language must have sealed the deal. Yes, today we'll be exploring the land of the rising sun, Japan. So we stopped by the headquarters of the Jamaica Scout Association to participate in Jamaican Scouts Discover Japan. 4 scouts and a scout leader will be representing Jamaica at the 23rd World Scout Jamboree in Japan. And to prepare them for the July 28 to August 8 event, a cultural exchange show was organized.
This is the Japanese culture event hosted by Jamaican Scout Association. So we are here from Japanese Embassy to assist to help the Jamaican people to know more about Japan and Japanese culture.
You don't want to go to a new country without a little understanding or a little idea of just how they function. And I'm very delighted that the Japanese embassy saw it fit to connect with us and coordinate with us to bring off this function.
And what an event it was! Scores of Jamaicans, scouts, and regular folks were treated to Japanese culture at its best. Music, movies, games, aikido, gymnastics, calligraphy, origami, Japanese food, and yukata. But it wasn't a one-way treat. Japanese visitors also got a taste of Jamaican culture by way of food and drink. All in all, it was time well spent. And as for the boys who will be repping Jamaica in Japan,
we are hoping that the youngsters will learn a little Japanese so that when they go there, can at least say hello, hi, how are you?
It's really interesting because they have such diverse culture, and it's really exciting for me. We trade culture with them and they trade with us, so I'm really grateful for that.
Go you, see the Japanese are boss. I say go you, no matter put it pampas.
up next, we head to the Courtney Auditorium for a dance performance that's sure to excite. Until next time, sayonara.
The Euro Dance Ensemble was formed in 2008. It was born from the Disrepol dance troupe. We've been around for a number of years. So this year, our season is in conjunction with the Amy Bailey and Alpha Dance troupes. And we are just putting on a show. It's themed Pandora Box. And it's just filled with magical elements. Every element of magic you can think about, the illusions. Come and see little babies drive you crazy with their adorability. Expect great things from beginning to end. It's going to be an awesome show.
Climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein, we're going on a mission. Start the countdown. You can lead the way.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Did they deliver? You be the judge. Until next time, this has been the Arts Page.